cylindrical in shape caput of the humerus, which separated from all other parts by this groove to which the capsule of this joint is attached. This groove is called anatomical neck of the humerus, column anatomicum humeri. Caput humeri, which is epiphysis, usually is smooth. It carries articular surface, cartilage, and separated from other parts by column anatomicum. And on proximal epiphysis, also we have two tubercles. One is anterior, small, tuberculum minus. One is more lateral, tuberculum majus. They are bony apophyses for attachment of the ligament and tendon, tuberculum minus, tuberculum majus, and from each tubercle descends cristo tuberculi minoris, cristo tuberculi majoris, and between them we have intertubercular groove, sulcus intertubercularis. We have the long head of biceps muscle, which past later will study muscle, and long head of biceps muscle passes in this intertubercular groove between two, and during the joints we'll study in intertubercular groove passes the long from supraglenoid tubercle, from here starts long head of biceps muscle, and then it through shoulder joint goes in this sulcus intertubercularis and joined with short head. Just below this thick part, epiphysis proximally, on upper part of diaphysis, we have narrow neck, next neck. This bone has two necks. One is anatomical for attachment of the capsule. Next is surgical neck, column chirurgicum. Why it is called chirurgicum? Because surgeons usually meet with a fracture of this bone in this region. Between thick and narrow part, fracture of this bone usually occurs in this region, in region of column chirurgicum. Traumatologist becomes with fracture in this region in patient. That is why this neck is called column chirurgicum. This is column anatomicum. This is tuberculum minus, tuberculum majus, cristo tuberculi minoris, majoris, and sulcus intertubercularis. Next part is the shaft, body shaft or diaphysis. In upper part is cylindrical, lower it has three surfaces: lateral surface, medial surface, and posterior. Upper and lower these parts, upper cylindrical, lower triquetral. From lateral side, on mid-half, about approximately mid-half, we have tuberositas deltoides. The muscles, so-called muscles of the swimmers, who swim very good in your group. Do you like to swim? I like so much also. Yeah. Go water pool, swim pool? No, here. And what muscle here we have? Deltoideus muscle, which are swimmers, very good developed muscles, swimmers. It is called swimmer's muscles or deltoid muscle. On upper limb I will show, and you will remember this. This muscle is deltoideus muscle, which from all sides surrounds the shoulder joint. That is why this tuberositas, to which this muscle goes attached from lateral side, it is called tuberositas deltoides. Do you understand? Yeah. And behind this tuberositas deltoides, you will touch, we have spirally groove. Now second year students study nerve which passes in this groove, the radial nerve, just on the bone slice, nervus radialis. It is called sulcus spiralis or sulcus of the radial nerve, sulcus nervi radialis. It spirally goes around the humerus, behind this tuberositas deltoides, sulcus nervi radialis. Can you find this sulcus nervi radialis? Yes. That is why on fracture of this bone, fracture of the mid-half, for example, this patient feel very acute pain because trauma of this damage of this nerve causes shock. Painful, it is painful displacement of the fractured parts, and damaged nerve causes this very pain. In inferior part we have facies medialis, lateralis and posterior. The medial and lateral margin, which delimited by this crista epicondylaris lateralis, epicondylaris medialis, and margo anterior. It has supracondylar crest. This distal epiphysis of the humerus is called condylus humeri. Condylus humeri consists of two articular surfaces, because on the forearm, how many bones we have on the forearm? We have two bones, ulna and radius. So they are from different bones. Ulna and radius. That is why we have two articular surfaces. One is called trochlea. Next is called capitulum. This is caput. This is small caput. Small caput is called capitulum. They together form condyle of the humerus, condylus humeri. That is why on both sides we have epicondylus. Bony apophyses here are called epicondylus. Bony apophyses here are called tuberculum minus, tuberculum majus, for attachment of ligaments, tendon of muscle. Epicondylus medialis. What epicondylus is great? The medial. You can touch this epicondylus medialis, and remember, just behind this epicondyle we have sulcus nervi ulnaris, ulnar nerve groove, because the ulnar nerve lies here, and trauma of this cut also becomes painful because nervus ulnaris. You can feel electric pain. Trauma. Epicondylus medialis. What that passes here? Sulcus nervi ulnaris. Above capitulum we have fossa radialis. Above trochlea we have fossa coronoidea, because the head of the radius during flexion extension of this bone, the head of the radius passes in the fossa radialis. Radius conjunction with capitulum, and it enters in fossa radialis. And this process is called processus coronoideus. Corona in Latin, it is crown, like crown. Crown-shaped process, coronoideus. That is why it passes in what fossa? Fossa coronoidea. This is fossa radialis. Above capitulum, this is fossa coronoidea. For ulna, fossa coronoidea. For radius, fossa radialis. And behind this biggest process is called olecranum. On ulna, we have olecranum, next bone. I will explain ulna. It has olecranon. And it passes in what fossa? Fossa olecrani. On posterior surface of the humerus, we have fossa olecrani. And now, how we can distinguish it is left or right? Normal position is this, for this bone. It has proximal and distal epiphysis. Yeah? On proximal epiphysis, head faced to the scapula, to the glenoid cavity. And medial epicondyle is better visible. So you will take fossa olecrani must be faced backward. This position is not correct. With what bone conjunction? This is not also wrong. Please distinguish, we have three.